Look at these
Sa
lobsters.
Tetra Toys. Aquarium.
Wow, they look so beautiful.
Yeah.
I want.
Parang ano, nag-ayos. Lalong gumanda ngayon. Dito kami sa pet store. Bibili daw si Kuya ng kanyang aquarium.
Wow. I found one that looks like Cassie. This one looks like Cassie.
Wow, kasi
Don't put your shoes on me, it's dirty. No, it follows. You try. No, it's okay. She's not gonna bite. Look, it covered in black. It looks like you don't. Hey, just look at the fishes. Let's go through.
wow. Look, kasi here. Here na ko, here. You want to see this? Yeah. Wow.
Mama, did you got the fish from here?
Yes. Dito tayo bumibili ng fish.
Can you get some fish there? Just ask if you can get some fish.
Ano, pang-decorate ng mga aquarium.
Wow. So beautiful.
Ang dami.
What are they trying to do?
There. After pa, ang dami.
Mommy, what are they trying to do? What are they trying?
Akala ko ba ayaw niyang bumaba?
No, it's cool.
Sumunod din pala tong dalawa.
Wow, so cool.
Lamprey.
What? Stingray?
Stingray o lamprey?
Stingray.
Stingray na rin pala ako.
Not the
Yes, stingray nga.
They can hurt you. They can sting you if you touch them on you.
Wala kasi. Kasi here kasi oh. Stingray. Look.
Why did they white?
Yeah. Okay, let's go. Ano po, Kuya?
They look so beautiful.
That's what ours would have looked like. That's what ours would have looked like. And then, in the very back.
Yeah.
And that.
Oh,
Let's go
yeah,
to pet store first. If they don't have.
Ayan guys, may napili daw siya kaso tingin pa daw kami sa kabila. Baka may magustuhan dun.
Like the one that's
Balik kami. Balik kami rin. Say bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye guys. So sunny.